Okay, welcome to my very first video. This is Wackies Plus. Been a long time collector and buyer and seller on eBay. First time to YouTube. Gonna open up a box of Bowman blaster box from Target. Gonna open that up and see what we get. These have 7 packs plus an extra, so we're going to get 8 packs here. Nothing left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Obviously the Bryce Harper is the big card in these packs. So pack number 1. Avisail Garcia, Nate Freeman, Ian Kinsler, Matt Cain, Wandy Rodriguez, Kelly Johnson, sorry if I'm butchering these names, Robinson Cano, it's kind of a sheen on that one, Hector Noise, D. Gordon, and these are both chromes, and Demon Young. Pack number 1. Number 2. Carlo Testa, Dan Klein, Jason Worth, Trevor Cahill, Hanley Ramirez, Brent Fielder, Brandon Belt, and here's our chrome, Willie Cabrera, Michael Brenly, then we got a gold, Victor Martinez, and the checklist. And it looks like I'm running out of battery here, so I don't know if I'm going to get through this whole box with this. Michael Spina, Matt Haig, Evan Longoria, Darlin Castro, Andrew McCutcheon, Carl Crawford, and top of the class, Mark Trumbo. This is the chrome, Jed Giorco, and a purple, Jarrett Cunningham, and those are numbered to 700, and that would be a refractor, and a gold, Mark Reynolds. Jose Perella, Tyson Auer, Grady Sizemore, Chipper Jones, Hank Conger, Matt Garza, Donovan Tate, and the chrome again is Kyle McPherson, Drake Britton, Roy Oswalt, and that was gold and a checklist. Battery's on red. I hope I get through this. Didn't charge my battery for my very first video. Alex Castellanos, Tyler Moore, Kendry Morales, Jimmy Rollins, Daniel Hudson, Jonna Santana, Zach Britton, Tops 100. This is our Chrome, Corey Jones, and Sammy Solis. Almost look like a real signature on there. Roy Holiday. Something tells me I'm going to probably want to use this camera the other way. This is a flip camera. Just bought the other day. And we got a Sean Ratcliffe. Another Jarrett Cunningham. I think that's the second one. Carlos Santana. Miguel Cabrera. Jamie Garcia. And we've got a green one here of Darren Mastroianni. What is that? Numbered out of 450. See that? Brian Matuzzi. Whoop. Power failure there. Gabriel Jacobo of the Chrome. Derek Hooker. Interesting spelling with a Y. And Gabby Sanchez. 2 more to go. Let's see if I can make it here. So far, no Bryce Harpers. Ronald Bermudez. Tearing up these names. Aaron Baker. Torrey Hunter. Franklin Gutierrez. Brian Bogasevic, something like that. Tim Hudson. We got a Manny Machado. There's the power again, and that's a Bowman's brightest. Oh, there we go. Chrome Bryce Harper. Second to last pack. It's just a regular base Chrome card. Not too bad though. Put that one to the side. Matt Dominguez. That is a what is that one? I'm not even sure what card that is exactly. These are new to me. It's a gold one. Michael Bourne. Not to be confused with Jason Bourne. Last but not least, Eric Thames. Brandon Belt. Jonathan Sanchez. Adrian Beltre. Logan Morrison, and we see here I finally got a signature card. Whoops. Got a Justin Fratus. Not bad. And we're getting close on time here. Let's finish this up. A gold Brian Braun. Pedro Alvarez. And the chromes are Cody Puckett and Everett T. Ford. So I ended up getting a Bryce Harper, which was nice. Show that again. And just made it under my 10 minutes, and my battery's hanging in there. So anyway, again, this is Wackies Plus, new to the YouTube scene, and got tons more stuff I'm gonna open up. And if you want to stick around, look for my videos. Hopefully you'll like what I have. And anything you see that if you're interested in buying it, please let me know. I'm selling anything and everything. Have a good day.